Hello and welcome. First of all, I'd like to thank you all for supporting my channel as we've hit 1,000 subscribers recently, and it really gives a motivation on creating new videos. And in today's video, I wanted to show you something different. And the gadget that I'm holding in my hands is a Thermacell Mosquito Repeller. Why I'm showing you this? Well, all is pretty simple, because I know that it works. It's actually the second one that I bought, and if you got a question why I've bought it during the winter time, well, all is pretty obvious. Because the first one, which was actually a portable version, and I'll put the links for the portable and for this one in the description, I had to wait for it for about 3 weeks because all of the sellers were out of stock. And well, obviously a lot of people are buying these gadgets because they really like to spend time with their families and pets outside without any mosquito bites. I was testing a lot of different gadgets, sprays, which, well, some of them actually work for an hour or 2 hours. Some of them don't, but in general, none of those that I've tested work as good as this one. There is one thing that was actually driving me crazy, and I've actually done my research, and in this video I'm also gonna tell you how you can save a lot of money on the refills, because you get a gadget like this one within a box. Well, it comes in a box like this one. So you get only one fuel cartridge and those 3 repellers, which will last you for approximately like 12 hours. And after 12 hours, well, it's gone. And basically you have to search for the refills. If it is a spring or a summertime, well, it might be quite hard to find the sellers which do have these in stock. So I've searched the web, I've searched the YouTube videos, and I've actually found a guy which had sorted this issue out for me, and you can actually save a lot of money by watching the video, and the video of that guy will be shown over here. So I'll just speak a little bit about the numbers. So this Thermacell Mosquito Repeller, the price of it is approximately like $20. The one which is portable, which I'm taking with me on each fishing trip right now, well, not during the winter, but during the spring and summer and autumn, it costs $27. Approximately $27. These refills, which will last you for about 48 hours, the cost is approximately like $20 or $22. So I don't know about you guys, but when I go out fishing, I fish for about 12 hours. So these 3 refills plus 1 fuel cartridge will last me only for 1 fishing trip, like only for 1 day. But to buy those refills all the time, it would be quite expensive, because like during the summer or the spring, you'll have to buy like 10 or more of these, so that's additionally like $200 or $300 out of your pocket. So I've actually bought some of these. Yeah, I bought them from China, and over here it's a it's a 60 of them over here and 60 of them over here. So in total it's 120. So you'll probably never guess how much they cost, but well, I'll tell you, it only cost me around like $4. So $4 for 120 repellers. And I've also bought this button to refill this fuel cartridge. Again, I'm not gonna show you how it's done because I've already mentioned that there is a video of the guy which shows you exactly how to refill these, and it actually works. It works and it saves you a lot of money. So I'm gonna actually show you how easy it is to use this Thermacell Repeller. So what you do, you take the fuel cartridge, you insert it into that slot over there. Like so. Over here we've got a wheel and we've got like off, on and start. So what you do, you just turn this wheel to on, then you just, when you turn it to the start, what it does, it fuels that fuel cartridge over there. The repeller goes into this slot here, and what that fuel cartridge does, it hits the repeller, it extracts some chemicals which are driving the mosquitoes mad. I wouldn't say that those chemicals kill the mosquitoes, because I haven't seen any of them like lying around on the ground, but I've seen some of them flying around, and well, actually they look as if they are drunk, and they aren't bothered about biting you. So it definitely affects a neurosystem of the mosquitoes, and it definitely works. So if you are camping, fishing, this gadget would definitely do well for you. But again, I've bought this one for the summer house, so I'll leave it over there. So it's gonna be over there all the time. And the portable one, I'm taking it with me on every fishing trip, when we go to forest, when we go outside, when we go near the lakes and so on. I really hope, guys, that this video was useful, and if it was, don't forget to put a thumbs up. And if you'd like to support the channel, don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates on creating new content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.